Hey, welcome back to Bite Size Media Making with CME. I'm Cindy Candelario, your host and a media education coordinator here at CME. And in this episode, we'll be going over how to normalize your audio using DaVinci Resolve. I'll show you 2 quick tips that'll help normalize those audio pieces and make sure you're taking care of your audience's eardrums. So, how to normalize your audio using DaVinci. I'm going to show you 2 really quick tips that'll really help you out in the long run. First, we're going to normalize our audio levels. This is super easy. We're going to just click on our audio clip. We're going to right click. We're going to go to normalize audio. And here a pop-up menu will show up. I usually like to keep my audio in between a -9 and -12. Ideally no lower than -12. That's pretty good space for eliminating most of those high pop peaks. And you'll see once you click normalize, the volume sort of shift here in that visual meter. The second tip would be shifting the gain. This is the most simple audio thing you can do using DaVinci because it's right here, right on the timeline, and you can do it right on the audio clip itself. So if you zoom in, you're going to see that there's this like median white line in the middle of your audio that's actually adjustable. So if you take your mouse and hover over it, you'll see these sort of 2 triangles shift, and you'll be able to raise or lower your audio gain right on the audio clip, and you can visually see those audio peaks shifting as well. If you bring that median line higher, the gain will go up. If you bring it lower, the gain will go down. You'll hear the shifts in audio as well. Make sure you're paying an intentional ear to where you want your audio to be. Check in so that you're not getting those high peaks in the red, which you shouldn't if you've normalized your audio already. And place that marker wherever you think the gain is good for you and your audience's eardrums. All right, we hope this was a super helpful bite-sized media making tip. Thank you for joining us here at CME, and we'll see you for the next one.